Hey guys, it's Ashley here, and I'm at our newest listing, 2225 Atelier Drive. This is a beautiful home, and we are at the end of a street, so very private. Also, this home sits on a lot that is over 2 acres, and you can see how gorgeous it is out here with all of the trees. Right now, the trees are turning beautiful colors out here. It's a ranch style home, 3 bedrooms on the main, plus you have a very spacious office on the main level as well. 2-car garage on the main, and then in the basement there is an additional John Deere garage. In the kitchen, the owners have recently put in newer appliances, and they are gorgeous. They are a matte finish and look very high end. Also, the roof is newer as well. And you're gonna love the screened-in porch. So come on in and take a look inside.